Greensville, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Please excuse the lighting. It may be a little dark in here because I'm in a covered little picnic area, and it's been raining steady since I got here. Getting rid of my hat. I'll show you a little idea I have in my budget camping playlist. So this is the Bushcraft Grill, and it's a really nice grill. I've used it a couple of times. I won this in my buddy M.I. Woodsman's, he did a giveaway, and that's the grill here. It might be a little dark because I don't have any light put underneath it for contrast. But so here's the grill. Now this is one I found at Smart Food Service. Now this, and this is just bird poop. So this on Amazon right now is $19.97. I just looked it up on my phone, and I'll link it below if you're interested in going and checking it out. This I got at Smart Food Service. This was $4.09. Yeah, you heard me right. $4.09. In fact, I even took a picture of it. I took this picture yesterday, so I'm hoping that shows up alright. Yeah, $4.09. Now I'm not saying that this is bad. It's not bad at all. It's really nice, but they look almost identical for a lot less money. Let's see if I can get an accurate weight on these, because I brought my scale with me. Now, because it's going to be stretching over, I don't know if I'm going to get an accurate weight. So this says 7 ounces. This says 5.6. Now the biggest difference is if you notice, there's a little bit more steel under here because there's legs on it. So you can see those. Now this doesn't have any legs. It's legless. Now I guess you could say, well, legs add a little weight, okay, but what's the difference? Or why does that matter? Well, you can get these you might be able to find these at restaurant supply stores. And what I do at home is I use them for baking, for one thing. Like if I'm going to bake a couple chicken breasts, I can use the legs to keep it up off the grease. So if I'm draining away grease, and then I got this yesterday. This pan was $6.99, and if I'm frying up some bacon, I can just put the bacon in this pan here. So for $10, I have a pan with that lifts up. So I could be putting bacon, sausages, whatever I'm going to be cooking. Like I make breakfast at home a lot. So you put your meat in here, let it drain away let the grease drain away, and you can just wash it out by hand, or throw a little hot water in there and soak it. I've actually used these. I'll bake a whole chicken. I'll just set the whole chicken right on top and bake it. That's one big advantage. I'm not trying to say that this is a bad grill. It's really not. It's a really nice grill. I mean, damn, I wish I had something light to put down, but even my coat is black. So along this idea came another one, and that is I don't know, these are no problem. I went to Home Depot. Sorry, I lost a little bit of my hardware here. And I got these, what's that, foot-long screws. I think you might be seeing where I'm going with this. Now I can prop this up. At my fire pit. I thought that was going to happen. Okay, let me pick everything up. Alright, that was unfortunate, but I hadn't gotten to it, but I also have 4 wing nuts. So, put these on, the wing nuts on here. I literally am putting this together for the first time. So, So it's going to take a little tweaking, I guess. So wow. See the round contour shape of this thing is a little bit problematic, which I hadn't counted on when I got the idea for this. So well, it's not the straightest. So unless someone has an idea how you can spread these legs apart a little bit, but maybe you won't need to. You just take it like this, screw it together at camp, set it in the fire. The legs aren't totally level, but you know the ground isn't level either. So you could probably just push these down into the ground. I guess the best test would be to take it out in the woods and try it out. So there you go. Maybe not the most smooth transition for putting it together, but like I said, I had literally just put this together for the first time on camera. So what I want to do next is get it out in the woods and get some fire under it and find a way to carry the hardware out to the woods. Probably just use a pill container. By the way, all the hardware was like $11. So I'm with this setup right here, I'm at 15 bucks. So I think that was pretty budget. And I suppose you could move the threads down and just thread on the wing nut farther down if you wanted it lower. See how she does in the fire. Anyway, well, check out the Bushcraft Grill too. It'll be down in the description on Amazon. It's not a link to my store or anything. I don't have a store, so I don't have to worry about that. But alright, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Yay, nay, pass. Maybe some suggestions for tweaking it. And I'll catch you in the next one. So something I wasn't thinking about at the time, but if I simply pull the leg off and then re-thread it, I don't have to worry about the loose bolts everywhere. So there you go. And I can just put those in my pack along with this.